In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Telegram. This is a simple feature that can make your communication more thoughtful and timely, whether you're coordinating across time zones, sending reminders to yourself, or making sure a message lands during someone's working hours. First, open Telegram on your device. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or desktop, whichever you're most comfortable with. Make sure you're connected to the internet and logged into the correct account you want to use. Next, open the chat where you want the message to go. This can be a one-on-one chat, a group, a channel you manage, or even your own saved messages if you're scheduling a note to yourself. Type out your message just like you normally would. Take a moment to proofread and, if needed, attach any photos, files, or voice notes. Everything you include here will be sent at the scheduled time. Now, instead of tapping the send arrow as usual, press and hold the blue send arrow. Holding it for a second brings up additional sending options. If you're on a desktop app, you may see a small menu attached to the send button. Look for the option that lets you schedule instead of sending immediately. The idea is the same. You're telling Telegram to queue the message for later. From the pop-up menu, choose Schedule Message. This opens a date and time picker so you can decide exactly when your message should go out. Think about the recipient's local time if they are in a different region, and pick a moment when it's most likely to be seen. Telegram uses your device's current time zone, so if you're traveling, double check that your device time is accurate. Select the specific date and time, then tap Send. Telegram will confirm that your message is scheduled and hold it until that exact moment. You don't need to keep the app open. As long as you have an internet connection around the scheduled time, Telegram will deliver it for you. If you're scheduling media or large files, give them a moment to finish uploading before you finalize the schedule so everything sends smoothly. A few quick tips to wrap up. You can schedule multiple messages in the same chat and they'll all go out at their respective times. If plans change, Telegram lets you edit or cancel scheduled messages before they send right from within the chat. And yes, this works the same way for groups and channels you manage, helping you space out announcements without spamming your audience. That's all you need to schedule messages in Telegram. Simple, reliable, and great for staying organized.